Ever notice the signs on a lift? Maximum capacity, 800 kilograms. Or a scholarship application? Minimum grade, 85%. Our world is full of limits and boundaries, not just exact numbers. That's where inequalities come in. They're the language of at least, at most, more than, and less than. Unlike an equation like x equals 5, which has one specific answer, an inequality like x greater than 5 has infinite solutions. 6, 5.01, 100. It's a whole range of possibilities. And solving them is surprisingly familiar. If you can solve a basic equation, you're 90% of the way there. Take 3x plus 4 less than or equal to 19. You balance it just like an equation. Subtract 4 from both sides to get 3x less than or equal to 15. Then divide by 3. The answer? X less than or equal to 5. All numbers 5 and smaller are solutions. But there's one crucial twist, the golden rule of inequalities. If you ever multiply or divide both sides by a negative number, you must flip the inequality sign. Why? Think about it. We know 2 is less than 5. But if you multiply both by -1, you get -2 and -5. On a number line, -2 is actually greater than -5. The relationship reverses. So if you have -2x greater than 8, you divide by -2 and flip the sign, giving you x less than -4. To visualize this, we use a number line, a solid dot for or equal to, and an open circle for strictly greater or less than. For our solution, x less than -4, we'd put an open circle on -4 and draw an arrow pointing left, covering all the possible answers. So remember, solve it like an equation, but always, always watch out for that negative sign. Mastering this one rule isn't just about passing a math test, it's about correctly understanding the boundaries that define our world.